If you want to make a soft bread, then this video is for you. Hello guys, and welcome back again to my channel. Hope you all are doing wonderfully well, and in this video I share with you how I made this soft Ghana tea bread recipe. Trust me, this recipe was so perfect, delicious. The family loved it and it was so nice. So that guys, let's get started. I have my flour over here, also powdered milk, nut milk, some vanilla essence. Also I have 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of butter, and also I have my half tablespoon of yeast. So these are my ingredients. Let's get into the video. Into an empty bowl, I will add all my dry ingredients together. If today is your first time of coming across this channel, hello, my name is Gertrude and you are welcome back. You are welcome to my channel. We make food recipes on this channel. If you are interested, kindly subscribe to the channel while you hit the bell to get notified anytime I post a new video. At this point, I've added all the dry ingredients, so I'll go ahead and mix everything until they are all well combined. So guys, please stay tuned.